Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to unpack this Samsung Galaxy M12 mobile cover, and it's not a ordinary mobile cover. It comes with a kickstand, so I'm gonna show you how it comes. So okay, let's just open it from this side because it already has a okay. So some billings and extra details, and here are the detail of the product, name of the commodity, Amazon Basics case for Samsung Galaxy A12, and net quantity, one number, SKU, batch number, MRP, month and year. It's a July 2024 exported product, and these are the additional details which I think are not relevant for us. So I'm just simply going to unpack this. Okay, it looks cool, wonderful. I'm impressed with this cover. I was not expecting this quality of this cover, but now the thing is we have to check whether it's gonna fit with our phone or not. It's a quite, I would say, heavy in comparison to the ordinary. But one thing I noted right now is that the kickstand quality seems like very, weak, I would say. I hope it won't, cracked or break easily. So I'm just directly going to cover my Samsung Galaxy M12 phone in this. So let me put this here for a second so that you can take a look in between. And my Samsung Galaxy M12 is here. So it's currently in a very ordinary black cover. And inside you can see that I have a sticker, can do anything, which is from bot. Now we're gonna do it aside, and here is our Samsung Galaxy M12 handset. Now as you can see, the screen guard is quite not a new, so I will cover it later. But now you can see that it's in a blue colored, and I bought it blue colored because it's unique, I think, in terms of, because already I have a black cover, this mobile has a black back cover, but to buy the blue color back cover, it's a great choice I made, I think. So simply I'm just gonna, okay, it's now in cover. It's pretty heavy and weighty. So as you can see how it looks like. So what's the basic use, why I bought this? So this is before I bought this. Now I can easily place my phone in this angle, also in this angle as well. Let me show you if I can. Yeah, so you can see that I can use in this way easily and very comfortably. So let me just open it with my fingerprints. Now it looks working well. Also I'm gonna use it in this way so that I can watch video whenever I want to watch without a mobile stand. Also I can do it. Okay, there is a one glitch. If it could be easily in this side also, it can be flipped, then it would be a great one. And it has only this side stand, I would say, stand lock. Okay, although it has a good quality, I would say, but it makes my phone very heavy compared to this one. Also one more thing I noted that let me just try to uncover this. I think it has the boundary of this cover covering above the screen, so it is somehow above the screen, so it can protect, I think, more than this cover. Let me try it one more time. Although quality of the cover seems great, it has very hard plastic, Samsung Galaxy A12. So if you have a A12 mobile, you can use this cover as well. I bought this from Amazon, and yeah, there is a slightly, I can say, you can notice now, it can be noticeable that it has a slightly upward. So I think it's good, it's not that bad. Although it looks very kind of a Avenger type mobile, sporty type, we can say. So easily you can see that my fingerprint is working. You can hear the voice, okay, and the volume buttons are also working perfectly. Here we have a audio jack, here the charging jack, here is the speaker cut. Here is another, this I do not know for what it is. I think it's a microphone area. Overall it looks good, giving a very good feeling, but I would say I would not gonna go with this because I prefer with the lightweight one. It's a heavy one. If I use it at home, I would prefer this one. I would say if I at outside, I would say I will go with this because it's easy to carry, and it seems like it make my phone already heavy. My phone has a 5000 or I think 6000 mAh battery, so you can imagine the weight it can has. It's a very heavy phone. Now it became more heavy just because of this cover. Overall the cover looks great, you can see in the video, and it comes with this. I bought this just for this. My purpose to buy this cover is this kickstand, so that I can easily place my phone wherever whenever I want to, or also I can hold my phone in this way. So now it's in my fingers, you can see. While using, you can insert your finger, but although it's not that comfortable, if I keep it over here, it's comfortable, but not if I insert a finger and try to use it in this way, because it seems like if you somehow accidentally you can accidentally break this if it goes in this way, like it happened in the way. No problem, although it's great. You can buy this cover if you want to buy. I'll put the buy link in the description box. It's for Samsung Galaxy A12, M12, and or there is one another model. I do not remember the name currently, but it's a great. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video, and don't forget to leave a like, or don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more new videos.